This is going to be a high-ticket affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners, and I'm going to show you how you can make your first commission with a proven method. And this is for complete beginners, and if you don't know how to start, you are in the right place. And I have been doing affiliate marketing since 2017, and I think that high-ticket affiliate marketing is one of the best business models you can start right now. But first, let me show you what is affiliate marketing. Basically, the business model is simple. We send traffic to a product that we don't own. And we can find products to promote on ClickBank, Dstore24, these are some examples, Amazon, or we can promote software and private networks. You can promote digital or physical products. And when people buy from your link, you can make a commission. Now, the commission depends on the product. For example, if you go to Amazon, you can find the percentage of the commission that you can earn from these categories. And I think this is a great business model because we don't need to create a product. And when you make a commission of $500 or more, it's called high-ticket affiliate marketing. And if you are starting out, it's better to do high-ticket affiliate marketing because would you rather to make $5, $10, or $500? Let me know in the comments. If you're going to use the same amount of time, it's better to earn $500 than $5. Now, let me show you the system I use to promote high-ticket products. So I'm sending traffic to an opt-in page. If I go to my ClickFunnels account, you can see in the screen my funnels, and I'm going to show you this one, the 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate ebook. And I'm going to click here on edit page. And basically this simple page allows me to collect information. So when people click this button, I can collect a name and an email address. And this step is important, guys, because your email list is going to be one of the most valuable assets of your affiliate business. The next step is the ebook page, in which I'm telling people that please check their email because I'm going to send this ebook through email. And the third step is the bridge page, in which I have here my video explaining the product and the next steps and this button. And when people click here, they will go to my affiliate offer. And if they buy, I can make a commission. You need to know that people don't buy at the first interaction. And if you are promoting something that costs $1,000 or $2,000, it's going to be difficult to make a commission. That's why there is a strategy to promote high-ticket products. Let me show you. What I'm doing is that I'm promoting this challenge, the 72-hour freedom challenge. And basically the cost of the challenge is cheap. Let's say $5. Now, when people put their information in my affiliate link, they will be hard-coded to me. That means that if they buy all the value ladder, let's say that this product has a $100 upsell and then a $500, I can make commissions in all steps. And some people that took the challenge, they are going to buy the high-ticket product. And as you can see in the screen, this is the challenge that I'm promoting, and this is the high-ticket product. Now, let me show you how you can find high-ticket products to promote. You can go to Google and write high-ticket affiliate marketing products. And you can do your own research about the products you want to promote. This is an example of a high-ticket product, Legendary Marketer. This has a 15-day challenge. But the product that I have been promoting and making commissions is Freedom Accelerator. You can find it on Dstore24. Now, let me show you how I have been able to grow my email list, promote this product, and make commissions with this system. Inside of Freedom Accelerator, they have done for you funnels. And as you can see in the screen, they have these different funnels that we can use and the ebook as a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something that you can give in exchange for the email. And I downloaded those funnels and uploaded into my ClickFunnels account. Now let me show you this funnel, the 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate ebook. If I click on stats and I filter the data for this month, you can see in the screen that the opt-in rate is 30%. That means that if 100 people see that opt-in page, I can collect 30 emails. And basically, the more emails you collect, the more money you will make. The next step of the system is the email sequence. You need to build this in order to do the follow-up. I just get response for that task. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to click on automation, and get response is going to send all these emails automatically when people subscribe to this list, Freedom Breakthrough. And inside of the emails, I have valuable information and my affiliate links. A cool thing about Freedom Accelerator is that you can use these email swipes. You can copy and paste these emails inside of your GetResponse account to promote this program. Now, let me show you a cool way you can use to drive traffic to your system. You can use TikTok and create these simple videos. Basically, I'm talking about my own journey, and I put my affiliate link in the bio. So when people click this link, they will go to my opt-in page. I hope that you got value from this video, guys, and if you want to take the challenge, you can click the first link in the description. Thanks for watching and God bless.